What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And so with this video what I want to do is just kind of show you what a day in the life of a real estate investor looks like. And I'm filming this on Labor Day, so I have the day off, so it's a little bit different than a typical day for me because I do have a full-time job, and so usually I do all this stuff after I finish my regular work. And so a lot more time to do what I want to do, and so what I want to do today is visit one of the projects I'm working on and see how the construction's going, because it's currently finishing up its rehab phase. We're going to do some driving for dollars and look for some more leads. And this morning, got another property under contract and blasted it out to some potential buyers. So I'm hoping to sell that by the end of this week and make a quick $5,000 off of that assignment fee. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll see how this one goes. And so to start the day, we're gonna do some driving for dollars. So basically we're just gonna drive some subdivisions that I'm interested in and finding some properties and see if we can find any possible leads. And today we're featured with Helen and Leo, who's sitting here in the passenger with me. And so here's our little ride along. And so we're in one of the subdivisions now that I'm interested in, and basically Helen's just driving and we're both looking for leads basically. So what we're looking for is properties that have signs of distress that we could probably buy for a good deal. And so like I said before, that looks like, you know, a house with grass overgrown or signs on the door or windows that are broken or open with no blinds or anything. Just basically signs that the property might be vacant or just distressed in general. So let's see what we find.
Yeah, we'll give examples.
And so this is a pretty good example of what we're looking for here. As you can see, the greenery is overgrown right here, all up on the house. The house looks a little distressed. You know, some of the trimming is broken, and the garage door is also broken, and there's no blinds. And most importantly, you can't see because the trees are blocking it, but there's a sign on the door as well, a notice from the city, something about it being vacant. So this is like a prime example of what we're looking for here, something that looks like it's vacant and distressed. And so here's another example of one that might be one, but it's kind of like not as clear. I'm not exactly sure if it is for sure vacant or not, but it is kind of looks like it might be abandoned, and so we'll write the address down and see if this leads anywhere anyways. And so we're gonna finish up our driving for the day, and we found 11 possible leads. And so now what I'm going to do is skip trace and find the owner's information, and then throughout the week give them, try to get in contact with them and see if I can negotiate a deal out of this. So I'll update you guys later on and see if we close any deals while on this video. So today we're just going to stop by one of my projects I'm working on now, and this one is pretty much wrapping up with the renovations, and we're just going to stop in and videotape some of the progress going on. I anticipate this one will be done by the end of the week and ready to rent out and start cash flowing immediately. And so we'll just stop in real quick and see how it's going. Alright, check out this crib, and that's the front door here. As you can see, we got all new wood laminate floors, and the new paint is up. Went with all white paint and white trim because it was cheaper and I think it looks fine. The wood laminate too is also a cheaper option. It's more durable than real wood, so I like this color of wood laminate. I think it looks fantastic. There's my boy finishing the floors here in the living room. Great dude. Got a new door here leading into the garage as well. And this garage, we're going to touch it last, but there's a big hole in the ceiling that needs to get fixed. That's just drywall though, it needs to be installed. Nothing too crazy. A brand new set of appliances I bought, and I bought those all for $500 off Facebook Marketplace. They're not new, but they're in solid condition, and I stole them for a great deal, so I'm happy about it. Here is the bathroom that we've been converting. Originally it was a half bath. We converted it to a full bath, so I bought that bathtub. We're going to install it, paint it up, and the laundry hookups are in there. We flipped them out into the other room. There's a sunroom on the other side, so now the laundry hookups are out there. We have a lot more space to deal with. And leading up the steps is the kitchen. We got to keep the tile floors in here because they still look good, but we still need to do a lot of work in here. With the cabinets, we're still painting and refinishing them. Those will be installed. We'll still need another layer of paint on the walls too. Dining room and the front living room area, those just have new fixtures. And leading up the steps, what we did is we pulled out all the carpet, and we're in the process of staining and refinishing these wooden stairs. Here's the second bathroom.
Also needs a lot of work, but that one's going to look awesome when we're done. It's going to have new fixtures in the tub. A toilet's going to be fixed up and refinished cabinets and everything. New vanity. Master bedroom. Paint and floors are installed. Look great. There's some of the baseboard in there. Guest bedroom. New fixture, paint, floor. Still need to put in the baseboards. And same with this room. Same story here. Just need to do the same thing here. And that's pretty much the whole house now. Pretty much a typical day for me as a real estate investor, you know, as a side hustle here. I just try to fit in whatever I can with the free time I do have. And my goal is to just close at least one deal a month. If I can close one deal, that'll be enough to keep building my rental portfolio or supplement my monthly income. And just remember to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.
Bye!